guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra Marie, and if you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Also, if you're new here and you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell, ding, so that you'll be notified the next time I upload, girl or boy, whatever. So today's video, you can guess by the title, I'm going to be doing a try on haul of Kiss Me Live Glam. This is May's subscription, so this is the bride collection. I will put everything, all the details in the description box if you want to get a monthly subscription. It's really easy. I don't have a coupon code yet, but I will include another girl's coupon code that I used, and I got a fourth one, but really in the May subscription you do get 3. So I'm going to be trying on all 4 of these today for you so you can see how they look, see how they wear, see how they look on my skin tone if you're a similar skin tone, to see if you would like to subscribe to them as well. So if you're interested in watching this and seeing me try on these wonderful lippies, then please keep watching. Let's get straight into this, shall we? Alright, comes in a super cute baggie like this. What else did it come with? So it says You May Kiss the Bride. Super cute. These are the colors. Yeah, super cute. So it looks like this. Comes with the 3. Hashtag Live Glam Fam. Boom. Okay. Alright, so let's get into trying these babies on, because that's what you're all waiting for, right? That's what I'm waiting for. I want to try them. So these are the 3. These are the 3 that I got right there. And then this was my little extra for using the coupon code. Alright, so I'm going to try on all 4 for you on camera so you can see what they look like, you know? Alright, so I'm going to try the light ones on first, obviously. So this one is the lightest shade. This one is called Fiancé. Really cute. I'm going to swatch it for you really quickly so you can see. This one's just the gloss. So here it is, just swatched like that. Okay, so let's try this baby on. Okay, so the doe foot wand applicator is pretty good. This one I feel like you'd have to layer a little bit, or you could pair on top of something else. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like sugar cookies or something. For everyday look, totally wear. Definitely bride season. Loving it. Got a new camera and new backdrops and kind of like a new lighting system. So let me know how you guys are liking it compared to my old videos. If you have been here a while or if you've seen any of my old videos, let me know and leave a comment down below. Leave me a heart emoji if you like this setup better. I love this setup better, so I'm gonna leave a little heart emoji here. Ding. Okay. This second one is Bride to Be. So it looks like this. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys, of course. So, ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, okay, so there's the gloss on top. There is the Bride to Be on the bottom. Alright, so let's try this on. I'm not wearing it with any lip liner, guys. I'm just gonna show you just with the lippies. I'm liking this color too. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, I've been wanting to get this subscription for some time, but some of the colors I just did not like too much, but I was sold on this collection. And what's cool about it is you can actually skip or trade, which I didn't know until I actually subscribed. So that is a really cool benefit as well. So like I said, this one is Bride to Be. so perfect. These are perfect colors to have in your collection. Like, I don't care if you're a makeup artist, I don't care if you're just a makeup addict, or if you're just like new to makeup. Like, these are great staples to have because it's like a nude, you got like an in-between, and then you got like a deep color. They're perfect staples for your collection, seriously. So I love this color. It's gorgeous. And this one is matte. This one dries down matte. The first one was glossy. You could definitely put the gloss over this and wear that together. Like, you can get away with doing that. So cute, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the third one, which is the deeper berry color. So this last one is Bachelorette. This would be perfect for a bachelorette party. I think they named them so perfectly in sequins. So it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Ooh, that is pretty. And in comparison, you see the three, like, perfect trio. Name a better trio. Just kidding. All right, so let's try this bad boy on. I can't wait to see it. Can you wait? I know, you're excited just like me. It's cool. All right. This one I have to be a little bit more careful with, that it doesn't get onto my skin, because I'm not using a liner. Which you don't have to use a liner for this, guys. You can just be very careful and just apply it. Toad's fine. They all smell so good. I don't know what this one smells like, but it smells fruity. Okay. Yes. Ooh. Girl. Pop in. Oh my. Ugh. So pretty. Okay. So this one is Bachelorette. This is the collection. So those were the three in the collection. I'm going to try on the last one, which is a really bright purple, and see how that one looks. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to try on the last one. We'll see if this lippy comes off or not. Without further ado, we're going to try this last one on. Looks like that. I'm going to swatch it down here next to the rest. I picked this color out because I wanted something different from the ones that were in the collection. And it was between this one and the metallic one, but this one won. So I got to choose which one I wanted, and pretty happy with the choice, to be honest. Yeah, super pretty. These glide on so smooth, you guys. Like, I barely have to do any work. And it just glides on. Okay, so you can get a good idea of how this one looks. I'm digging it. I'm totally digging it. So yes, I love these lippies. No complaints here. I have to see how they wear because I haven't really wore them. Like I said, this is like a first impression haul type of video. So yeah, I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell. ding, to be notified when I upload next. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you so much.